welcome back to Straight Out TV again. Remember, say, I tell you, so we have cooked 2 things today. So we have to start doing what we have to do, you know. Get busy. Get busy, you know, please. Cut up the chicken and now curry him. Curry too. So you know it's going already. So I tell when we get started on the whole chicken and cut him up. I don't know if you use knife like me, use the board please. We have the board there. Probably use it later on for the difficult spot then. Right now. So I'm going to cut it up. No fat, no skin, no nothing. No more fat. Silly. I know we're going to use a board because of what you know. It's kind of difficult. So I'm saying come on in back and over neck and neck. Over. You see that? I'm going to clean this and that's why people don't know what I'm going to do. With food. So I have to clean this myself now. Then I'm supposed to take this off of the gizzard. I never take it off. That's why when I eat food you have to be careful how people look about them food. So I have to eat clean food, man. So this thing have to come right off. See, eh? So it's supposed to come nice and pretty. Understand? So I have to do so much work on me. For them and I get them work on. If I fish, I'm on scale for you when I come home and I'll cook it. You have to run through it back for yourself before you start cook that. So, I'm a chef. Alright guys, today we're going to give you a nice curry chicken. So I'm going to season up the chicken, just show you how I clean the chicken and everything. It was a whole chicken. We'll buy from Purdue chicken. So we have to season up the chicken now, people. Got some natural Jamaican seasoning. Use the spice. Right. And I'm favorite season this in. I have no part of foolishness in it, that's no spice seasoning. Alright, we're gonna drop with some of the next Maggi. This Maggi. See you don't know. I think it's you take the lamp come up with something. I saw me down. I like when you choose my cover and I'll just work with him. So that's slow. Alright, we're gonna drop the garlic powder. Not necessarily have to use the garlic powder because I still use my original powder. original garlic. Go with a little cayenne pepper. Even though I still go drop some man love pepper. Still go drop some Scotch bonnet tonight anyway. Now we have to drop some curry. Real Jamaican curry. See me? New pack. Better pack. You see my meat now. Go ahead and getting the seasoning on the meat here. That's all you need to get the seasoning on the meat. I kept these in the kitchen. See? The meat part you need. Get the seasoning about, you know. See me? And look. Nice and pretty. Now I'll get some garlic to drop on him. Just kill him for time. Onion. Some sweet pepper and thing. See me? Garlic we are going to use for him, you know. The real garlic now. Bit of time, yeah. Let's kill him. Get in this chunk, smelling nice. Now look at it. Onion. Alright guys, so me I say now, the onion, the white onion on him, the white onion on him too, can get some flavor in him, season him up nicely. Yeah, alright people, see them time, yeah? Come straight from the farm out of door, you know? You know, I plant most of my season them too. See how them skeletons are them big and pretty? Yeah. Come from the garden, you know. Plant my own season, most of my own season, people. Most time sweet pepper, tomato, honey, and yeah, I've some nice Scotch bonnet. Come from out of my garden too. I have work with one of them, but I want a little piece of them well hot, you know, peeps. So a little piece enough, good enough for you, you know, even more than good enough for you, know, anyway. Well hot. Real Scotch bonnet them. So we'll drop on a little piece on it, not too much, you know, because we don't want it to pepper. Just want it to have a little kick. And the kids them are going to eat. Careful, give it too much pepper, you know. We know that go already. Alright, so everything is on this. So go and soak out a little bit, season up. Here we go. Go and stay there, you know. Soak. And the season. Start about that, you know, cover him up. On one side over there so we can go and simmer. Then when we start cooking, we see what I go and peep. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to the channel. Okay guys, so we're gonna put on the curry chicken pot. Can go on hot and dry up. And then we're going to put in the oil, get in the curry, get the chicken in the pot, and make the fire do the work. So I'm gonna deal with it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to deal with the curry chicken now. A different style. Alright, so here we go now. Pot get hotter now. So we're gonna put little oil, not a lot. Curry chicken and building on everything. We don't want to put oil for cooking. See me? Drop this a little bit more. Yeah. No heap of oil. Drop. Drop one. Yeah, everything burn that oil. Leave up the oil. Get the oil nice. Okay guys, so here we are going, we'll drop some garlic in here. We're going to burn. Yeah, curry on him. Curry going to burn. No, it going to mad curry chicken up. Alright, and fire well hot. No, it burn. No, it going so, here we are going. Yeah. Can't delay upon that, not like move past the gas. We'll probably get black. Burn up. You know it's a winner pot. You know it's a winner pot, guys. No joke. It's a nice and pretty. You know? No heap of oil. I'm going to build it on oil, build it on juice, on gravy, on everything. You know, guys. Nice and pretty. Guys, you want to smell this chicken and now we can wet. You know, we drop in a pot for the food and lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Like we touch it now and cover him now. Next time he take turn the fire a little bit until the time starts. Build up his juice and thing, you know. We're not cut down the fire too low yet. Until he kick up. Cut down the fire. Okay, peeps. So right now we are going line up the. We are going line up. We are season what we want to put on the curry chicken, yeah? I go line up on 1 carrot to drop on him when he reach certain division. Get him when he near to come in. Set him up, season him up, make him taste nice. So we are going clean up it up them and prep them and put them down. So I'm ready for them. Just right away. Well, me like me chocho, you know, when I cook curry, people. You know that thing, yeah? Called chocho. Hit me like cook with my curry. Nice. So I'm going to use that one chocho. And if you know the amount of benefit chocho have people, when I start with chocho and left most of the other something then. Yeah. Line up the chocho here now, you know. Let's see if this one has to take out the seed peeps. Just give him a nice good belly like that. Cut off just one time. Cut out the belly. Cut out the seed. Them there. One pepper from the farm. So Wednesday people is deadly, you know, well strong. Piece of ginger, yeah. You don't want to use ginger and almost everything, my peeps. Good season. food kill bacteria, kill all kind of thing. Good for your body. Lot of health benefits in ginger. So you can use it to cook, man, like me, or make tea. Any juice to make it. One Irish, drop in him too. Right, peeps, so we have to cut them up and put them down to the for them, you know. Just prep them and put them down, make life easier, you know. Wait, go early. Can attend to something else in the meantime, so. Show to them now, them cut them fine, because them take longer to cook. Soup we are making. Cut the chicken, man. One carrot a piece. That's already. Yeah, now I'm bust pepper and ginger and cut up in piece and lime, you know. Go and cook, see you. Yeah, that good for that. That. Alright, peeps, so. Check for the chicken pattern and slow go and see. So I'm not going to be like one water and everything, peeps. Now add nothing to it. And the key thing to peeps, you have to stir up at them. You can't put on pot and start. You have to keep stirring up at them. Like what they are bottom come at top and what they are top go at bottom. Rotate the thing, you know. Guys, so I'm going go ahead, you know, and add in me vegetable now. Chocho and carrot and like Irish. You know him. Go and touch them now. By the time him water that gravy go down, thing more. Okay. Yeah. Water cooking. Steam fast. The meat them almost cook out. Fair meat cook out. So as soon as the vegetable them cook. But don't cook. And to eat, in case the water flow up. Yeah, man, look how much touch up. So I got drop, look how much season line and all fix. Man, look how much touch up on my peeps. So drop, look how much season line and all. Little bit of salt, like salt. Salt. You know, so I'm not putting salt in it. Not even when I season up, I'm not put salt in it. I don't use salt too much. We use salt to flavor just sometimes, not all the time. I'm going to focus on salt. Natural cooking here, natural. But I'm going to put a little bit of salt on that anyway. Put some flavor on it, man. Yeah. Drop one little chips, little tubes of salt line. Not much. Just a little tubes. Yeah. That's it. Start. I know making go on, but we didn't know money. Good to go. And let me tell you, when this land, nice. Yeah, my peeps. Nice curry chicken going in the evening, yeah? You touch down, you know, people. Come on, then. Rich gravy stage now. Ready to come off, peeps. Do not enjoy them right now, we want him. Ready to come off. So, stay tuned and watch a curry chicken here. Curry chicken here go mad. Alright guys, so here what happened now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, okay? And you guys can look in at the back there if you don't know the channel on there, and you can subscribe to the channel if you all want to know the channel. And all my new subscriber them, and all my old subscriber them, big up. And all the people who did there from day one, still big up. You know what, it's a journey out there on it, so. One love to all of them. Alright guys, so let's see what they're going on for the curry chicken you know. See there? See? Rich gravy. We don't cook water around here, rich gravy. Alright, see there? That's nice, you know. See there? So much of them cook, carrot cook. Everything cook, chicken cook till in a shell. Test out the gravy, so the gravy I say you know. Mud. Sweet man. Yes, people should have to taste that one here. A curry chicken here. Nice. When we can enjoy them a little bit more, and then we take him off the fire. Done with him for the day. Done cook. Next time you do that one, people, we have to take him off the fire. I want to come in, you know, with a dry him a little bit more. We have the gravy a little bit more, thicker. Give him one next 10 minutes, around 5 minutes, and then we take him off. You will still know how to take him off. But anytime we are again with this pot, we're going to take him off. So, stay tuned and watch for that, people. The curry chicken are nice. Done cook now. Kids are ready to eat, so we are going to share some curry chicken give one of the kids that can go and eat. Very nice. Okay. That good for you? I want more. Alright guys, a little bit nugget today. I'm saying today. Like him belly not full. Alright. That is it. Jared! Jared! What are you doing? See food, man. You hot, you know? Go in the living room and sit down like you until turn light. Right, peeps. So I'm gonna take out the pot here by fire. Keep one over here so keep one cool out. Don't want it dry out. Don't want the gravy dry out. So we can go and relax over this for a while. Well, alright, now come. Alright, people, stay tuned. And wait for the final touch with the curry conch. That's it. We'll have it epic. We're going to start the curry conch soon. So we just finished curry chicken now, so we're going to move on to the curry conch. Stay tuned, people. Watch it frozen.